Okay, welcome to the channel. This is how to splice two wires together for your motor. If you got an old drone motor laying around, what you want to do is go ahead and tin your 3, however you got to do it. It's about getting the solder to go into your joint. Get that in there and it locks all that together. You don't want a real big one, because if you do too big, then you're going to run out of shrink wrap on your next project. You only need a little small piece. It's not that serious, but you just want to get it to where there's a good little bubble on there like that. And then on your second one, on these, on this one right here, you want to make sure these are 10 too. These are the big ones, so you're going to put these are a little bit bigger than the other ones, so you're just going to tin them. Try not to drop nothing on the motor. Usually I would have a little more protection, but you're gonna be savage, be savage. Okay, so I've already got shrink wrap rolling down there. You always want to put it on the longest part, and then you just take right here, get your little solder on your thing, on your iron, and you put it on the bottom. One. Make sure you put a little solder on there every time, because it's going to take some when you put it on there. The trick is just don't hold it on there very long, and when the other one goes, you just make sure that you got the whole thing down on it like that. Oh. What the fizzy bum? Nope. If that happens, you just put your little more solder on there. So this one, that's the problem right there. You got to have a good little bead on both ends. You got to have it on the soldering iron, and there you go. It's better if you do it all while it's still hot too. You don't want to let it sit and be a cold joint, but it goes a little something like that, and you can get all that off later if your shrink wrap won't go out. Bam. And if you got a little wire like that, just boop. You snip it off with some snips too. It shouldn't matter, as long as you have a good connection. So then your third one, boom. I like to be in line with it, at least be pretty close to it. Bam. So then, with that being said, take your shrink wrap, shrink it on down. A lot of people use a heat gun. I don't. I'm savage. Get your shrink wrap nice and neat, pinch it, and there you go. And repeat the process all the way down. So within this 3 minutes, we've already got them ready to ride. And you're back in the air and flying all day, baby. Never give up. If you don't know how to solder, holler at me. I'll have some more videos. If you get this problem right here, where you can't get it around the shrink wrap, and the trick is to take your soldering iron and just kind of lightly drag it across the area that you just soldered, or that bubble, the little knot right here, you just drag it across there and try to take some of that off of there. So we just about, see if we can make 5 minutes. Oh. You might be out of gas. Oh, there's more. Yeah, I think we're out of gas. Later, dudes. Fly high. You get it.